Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals error. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing we need to do is verify your system requirements. So ensure your graphics card supports DirectX 12. Old or integrated GPUs like Intel Iris Xe might not meet the game's requirements. Now, to check your system specifications to see if it does, we want to click on the Windows key plus R for run. And then once we're here, we need to type in DXDIAG and then click OK. And then it will say, do you want to check if your drivers are digitally signed? Click yes. And now this should pop up here, and under system it will say DirectX version, DirectX 12. So you need to make sure it says DirectX 12 there. Alright, so what I've done, I've pulled up the system requirements for Marvel Rivals. So you're going to make sure your system requirements in Marvel Rivals that your computer can actually run it here. So you need to just check your system requirements with this DirectX diagnostic tool. So as it says here, we need operating system Windows 10 or higher. And as you can see, my operating system is Windows 11. The processor, Intel Core i5. If we look here at my processor, this can easily run it there. It's an i7 with 8750 Hertz. The memory here, so I need 16 gigabytes of RAM. You can see I've got 16 gigabytes plus some. And we need at least 70 gigabytes of available storage. So if we come back here, you can see I've got more than that. Alright, let's move on to the next. Alright, so we need to update our graphic drivers. So to do this, we need to click on the search and then type in device manager. Here it is here. And then where it says display drivers, go ahead and make sure to update these. So if I want to update my GeForce, I want to go ahead and click on update driver, then search automatically for drivers. And then you might come to this page where it says the best drivers for your device already installed. If it doesn't say that and it says they need to be updated, go ahead and update them. Alright, the third fix here is to set the game to run with DirectX 11. So as I said before, you need DirectX 12. You can try running it in DirectX 11. So for Steam users, what we need to do is simply click on Marvel Rivals in your library, select properties, and then under launch options, type DX11. And now for Epic Game users, go to settings, scroll to Marvel Rivals, check additional command line arguments and enter DX11. Another thing we can do is make sure to update Windows and DirectX, so ensure your operating system is up to date, as updates can include necessary DirectX components. So now to do this, click on search, type in settings, get into your system settings here. And now once we're here, click on system and then click on Windows Update, and then you want to check for updates and then download and install any updates. If it says you're up to date, last checked you're today, then that means you're up to date. Another fix we can do is verify game files. So corrupted files can trigger errors as well. So for Steam users, right click Marvel Rivals, select properties, local files, verify integrity of game files. For Epic Game users, click the three dots next to Marvel Rivals and select a verifier. And the last step, if everything you've tried doesn't work, you can always go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the game to resolve potential installation problems.